MMC 95 Plotagon presents Mark Goes to Ocean Youth Trust Boat. And today it's the 5th of May 2024. Okay Dad, I got everything for the Ocean Youth Trust Boat.
Good job, Mark. I'm glad you're ready. Now Miss Edmund is waiting for you. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye Dad. When Mark got into Miss Edmund's car.
Hi Miss Edmund.
Hi Mark.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks of you.
What is the plans for the rest of the day?
We are going to school. And then after that, we are going to McDonald's. And then go to the Ocean Youth Trust Boat.
Okay. Miss Edmund.
When Miss Edmund and Mark went to Buxbrin Academy.
Oh, no! This is the wrong classroom. It's a SN2, not a SN1. I am going to a SN1.
When Mark goes to a SN1 to see Mr. Barrow.
Yes! Now I am in a SN1. And I see Mr. Barrow. Hello, everyone. Today we got good news. We are going to the Ocean Youth Trust Boat. So I am going to call everyone's here.
Mark. I'm here. Elizabeth.
I'm here.
Noah.
I'm here.
Logan. I'm here. James. I'm here. Laranya.
I'm here.
Hayden Redford.
I'm here.
Dennis. I'm here. Taylor.
I'm here.
Okay, so that's everyone for the tail trip. Mark, Elizabeth, Noah, Logan, James, Laranya, Dennis, Hayden Redford and Taylor. Okay everyone. Let's go!
When Mr. Barrow got on the Buxbrin Academy bus. He's in the driver 5700.
Okay guys. We stopped at McDonald's.
Hi. Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you all?
Me and the people want hamburgers, cheeseburgers, chips and drinks.
Okay, that will be 20 pounds. 10 minutes later.
Okay, thank you for the food. Okay guys, enjoy the McDonald's.
Elizabeth. I got 3 plain hamburgers and medium chips.
Wow. 3 plain hamburgers, medium chips. That's awesome, Mark. I can feel the smell.
Why? Hey. Laranya. How does Mark have 3 plain hamburgers?
I don't know. Logan. I think Mark is addicted to McDonald's.
Washington cheeseburgers warning all the way. Hey. When everyone finished McDonald's.
Okay, now we are going to Ocean Youth Trust Boat.
When Mr. Barrow went to Ocean Youth Trust to go on the boat.
Yes! We are now in Ocean Youth Trust Boat.
Elizabeth, we are now in the Ocean Youth Trust Boat.
I know, right, Mark?
Washington. Hey. Laranya, what are the plans for the rest of the day?
I am going to draw pictures of Mark, Elizabeth, Noah, James.
Okay, I am going to go to the kitchen to cook food at 22:30. Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, Mark.
1 week later.
Mark. How was the Ocean Youth Trust boat?
It was good, Dad. We were eating, drawing, drinking, saw all the food and games. Good. That's what I want to hear. And for this, here is your present. No way. More Sonic toys from eBay. How much did it cost, Dad?
It costs me £40.99. Thanks, Dad. You enjoy it, Mark? It's all yours.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to MMC95. Because if you don't, I will shut down the camera. Shut down wearing all the way. www.hhhhhnhhhh.